In this video, I'll show you how you can make an Instagram or TikTok cover. Now, what you have to do is click on the little open menu, create design, and in here you want to search for reel. Once you found reel, you want to find the one with the heart on it, because this one is video, but this one is a picture. So click on this one, and once you're in here, you will have a phone-sized screen. Then what you can do is you can look for templates on here, and there are some video templates, and there is also the picture templates. So obviously you cannot use video templates on some of the platforms, but you can use the picture ones. So let's say you want to do this one. You can change the text to whichever one you like, and you can even add your own text and own pictures and all this kind of stuff. After you've done with that, just go and share, download, select it as a PNG or JPG, press download, and then you have the picture. So that's basically how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.